Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Caution: the following procedure should only be performed in a clean room environment. Before you begin, remove the display panel assembly, battery, left speaker, right speaker, solid-state drive, wireless WAN module, and system board. Removal. Important: make careful note of the routing of the wireless WAN antenna cables for later replacement. Remove the pad that covers the left wireless WAN antenna cable. Peel back the metallic shielding that secures the right wireless WAN antenna transceiver to the display enclosure. Remove the wireless WAN antenna cables from the routing channel on the display enclosure. Important: make careful note of the placement of the wireless WAN antenna transceivers for later replacement. Using a non-conductive flat-bladed tool, remove the wireless WAN antenna transceivers from the adhesive that secures them to the display enclosure. Replacement. Place the wireless WAN antenna transceivers into position and apply pressure to adhere them to the display enclosure. Route the wireless WAN antenna cables through the routing channel on the display enclosure. Replace the metallic shielding that secures the right wireless WAN antenna transceiver to the display enclosure. Replace the pad that covers the left wireless WAN antenna cable.